Thanks for watching the Dr. Gilmore page. Check out the link below for Meta 7.
Something cooler.
Oh, Gettysburg.
Bless your heart. Look at this nail. That looks awful.
Yeah, so the whole nail was full of this heavy, thick, whitish,
Definitely looks like liquid paper.
and I had to
Did you
use
polish that with liquid paper?
acetone. Best thing to do.
They did that at the nail salon?
Yes, sir.
5 days ago.
Good gravy. That looks like it hurts.
So I had, now that I'm going really near the edge, it's very sensitive. Bless her heart.
And they worked on that for you at the nail salon, didn't they?
Yes.
And they took the nail out already?
I'm not too sure. if
I'm
they
not
got
too
it
sure
all.
what's going on there. It looks like you've got a jagged edge of the nail.
Would you leave it to the professional next time? That won't be me. Be Dr. Gilmore.
Never
Well,
going back over there.
yeah. Okay, so you definitely have some redundant tissue there. I think we can improve the situation for you. Okay, Jenny, let me
Is
know
that
when you
good
get
now,
that.
hon?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
You sure?
Yeah, I think that's pretty good. We're rolling. So we have our patient. We're going to call you White Rain.
Okay.
Two reasons. One, because you had white polish on your nail. And two, because it's raining outside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we have a really complex system that we utilize to determine what the nickname should be. All right, we're going to take care of this. So what looks to me like they've done is they did some work on this. It probably caused you a lot of pain, but they left you with a jagged edge right in there, and it's still ingrown at the base of the nail. So we'll numb this up. And we'll take this out. And this is a little Paronychium. Is that sore?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very sensitive.
Okay.
All around there.
All around there, huh?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna numb this up. We have 1% plain lidocaine. All right. White Rain. You okay if we video your procedure for our friends on YouTube?
Yeah, it's fine.
I don't need that. Just the tourniquet and the hemostat, please. Oh yeah, we got these fancy new red
Straight
ones.
one,
The curve.
the curved one.
Curved one is good. Thank you kindly.
Some long rubber band.
Feels like a little pinch.
Yeah, but it's been feeling like that probably for about 3 days.
Can you put your toe down, or are you nervous? Or both?
Squeeze my
Like
hand.
that?
Squeeze my
Yep,
hand.
that's good. We're gonna go ahead right there, Gummy Jean.
Yes, he's here.
Little
So you
stick.
feel a little numb.
Don't scream.
You can scream a little bit.
Just breathe.
Just don't scare the other
normal.
patients.
She's really good. Wow.
Doing awesome.
Amazing.
Okay, other side. Right there.
You feel that cold?
Little stick. Good.
Let's be the lidocaine.
We'll see if we can't get this taken care of for you. So we're gonna test it first.
Okay. Usually I move my foot a little bit.
Actually, just pick a spot that's comfortable for you, and I'll work around you.
Okay, right here.
That's good for you?
Yes.
I'm coming around, Mom.
Okay.
There we go.
Want me to move?
I think you're fine. It should be nice and numb right there. And it is. Oh yeah, there's a lot of nail. And look, there's pus coming out right there. Pus and some blood.
You already took it?
No, not yet, but you got a stream of pus coming out right there. Did you see that, Mom? Look at that pus coming out.
I can't see it.
Yeah, you don't want to look. It's no fun.
Snapchat it.
What?
Snapchat it.
No.
Yeah, so you had a Paronychium here that
Are you okay, Mom?
just drained.
I hadn't seen it. I just hear it.
Gummy Jean, if I could just have that nail tool. It looks like, you know, they didn't do a terrible job. If they hadn't gotten this
You need the
infected.
clipper?
Yeah. And this White Rain here. So it's a lot smaller. It's just that the nail. Let's see, we got the. Yeah. See how it does go in there. Got to clip that right there. And a hemostat, please. Gummy Jean is on the move. She's ready to get done, right?
On drive.
And that part right there would have continued to give you trouble, that part that was in there deep. And all of this is just redundant tissue. Now you have, I mean, I barely took anything out. It looks like you've got this gaping hole, but that all will heal just fine. So we're ready to do a dressing on this. This should go ahead and heal just fine now. I need you not to put any more ointment on this, okay?
Okay.
Very important that you keep this dry so that it can heal, okay? Little piece right there, I want to get that. There we go. Yeah, I like that. Okay, Gabby Jean, she's all yours for a dressing.
All right.
Thanks. Good job, White Rain.
Morning, rock stars. It's Rockstar Beth. So today I want to tell you about this really cool energy supplement that I came across. It's called Meta 7. Dr. John Gilmore is the creator, and basically I'm always looking for the next best energy supplement to keep me going throughout my crazy day between 2 kids, a husband, 4 dogs, a job, and the list goes on and on. We all know. So when I came across Meta 7 by Dr. John Gilmore, I really liked it because for a couple reasons. It's a sustainable energy throughout my day. It's not like a hard, chug Red Bull, get a nice pick me up and then crash super hard. It's not like that at all. It lasts throughout the day, almost little spurts here and there. The only thing that was interesting for me, not even a bad thing, is that it took a couple weeks to really get in my system, I think, and start working on a regular basis where I wake up feeling rested, I wake up feeling like I can take on the day. And that's how I felt today. So I definitely just want to share, because I know there's a lot of you guys out there who have the same everyday struggles in life to keep it going as I do, and this definitely helps. So if you want to give it a whirl, click on the description below and the link and get you some. So next time, guys.
Hi, my name's Leanne, and I just want to do a review for Cocoa Skin Plus. I've been on it for about 2.5 months now. I do recommend it. It has given me, I don't know if you want to zoom in, my nails have definitely gotten stronger, and my hair. I did bleach my hair last year. Don't ever bleach your hair. It will kill your hair. And finally, my hair is actually looking normal. Thanks to this, actually. And it's a 90-day supply. It took I wasn't seeing anything really until a month and a half in to really notice changes. But it's been doing great. I love it.